Take a moment to check out the 2024 Hyundai Sonata. This well-built, stylish Sonata delivers the best in family sedan comfort. With a spacious, quiet cabin, ample cargo space, a suite of advanced safety features and connected infotainment on board, you'll look forward to every drive. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, keyless entry, moonroof, backup camera, satellite radio, heated mirrors, dual zone AC, steering wheel audio controls, power driver seat. Give your family the comfort they deserve when you travel in this refined, well-equipped Sonata. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.